Lists are a tempting cue, but they have a fatal flaw. In this video you will learn how Redis streams and consumer groups give you at least once delivery that survives worker crashes. With a plain list, a job disappears the moment it is popped. If the worker dies, that job is lost. Streams solve this by holding each entry in a pending list until the worker sends an explicit acknowledgement. The producer adds entries with X-ACKed. X-read group delivers the next entry, and in the same atomic operation, records it in the pending entry list. Only after the worker calls X-ACK is the entry cleared. A monitor process can use X-claim to reassign anything stuck too long. Watch what happens step by step. We add a job, create a consumer group, then X-read group to deliver it. X-pending shows the entry is still pending. After X-ACK, the list is empty. X-claim reassigns an idle entry to a different consumer. When reviewing a pull request, check 4 things. Is the code using X-read group with a group? Does every code path call X-ACK? Is there a monitor that reclaims stuck entries? And is X-delete never called before acknowledgement? Remember, streams give you at least once delivery only when you pair X-read group with X-ACK on every exit path and run a monitor that reclaims stuck entries. Skip any one of those and you lose the guarantee.